Don't give up, 'cause you have friends. Don't give up, you still have us. Don't give up, 'cause somewhere there's a place where we belong. Rest your head. You worry too much. It's gonna be alright. When times get rough. BOOZHOO! What's going on? I'm just singing. Just sitting down by the lake. Sitting on the dock of the bay. Watching the tide roll away. That's why I come down here. Watch the sunset. Watch the bungissimo. Bungissimo is the sunset. Another Saturday night, and I ain't got nobody. I got some money 'cause I just got paid. How I wish I had someone to talk to. I'm in an awful way. Cat Stevens. Ooh, call me Cat. Gonna be a rock star, Cat Stevens. Oh, excuse me, Cat Stevens. I'd like to introduce you to John Cougar. You know, you guys should get along. If you're going to be a singer, you got to have a stage name. Oh, my name's Cat Stevens. I'm a real cat. Meow. I'm John Cougar. I'm more of a rocker. John Cougar. You ever wonder what it must have been like at band practice? You know, like the first time Sting came to band practice. Hey, hi fellas, how's it going? Oh, hey, Gordon. Welcome back to band practice, Gordon Sumner. Goes, no, hang on. From now on, I want you guys to call me Sting. They're like, what? Why would we call you Sting, Gordon Sumner? Because, no, it's cool. My name would be Sting, like a bee. I float like a butterfly, but I sting like a bee. Call me Sting. They're like, we're not going to call you Sting. No, it's great. Trust me, you call me Sting, and I'll become a rock star for sure. Hey, guys. His name is Sting. Don't call him Gordon anymore. Just Sting. Oh, hi, I'm a guitar player. Call me The Edge. First name The, last name Edge. Mr. Edge? Yeah, right here. Please, call me The. I don't stand on formalities. I want you to call me The Edge. Okay, Bono. What? Hi, my name is... And it's just gotten worse in modern years. With rappers and stuff. Oh, they call me Little Rabbit Foo-Foo. I'm a hardcore rapper from the hood. Call me Little... whatever. Or sometimes I'm something the Stallion. The God. That's another one. I'm Tyler the God or something. Like, what? What's your real name, dummy? What did your mom name you? What are you legally... I'm not... Don't tell me what your nickname is. Nicknames are stupid. Oh. I don't know. Pretty night, but it looks like it's going to storm. I wonder if it's going to rain tonight. They say it might start raining tonight. I should put out my tobacco. say a little prayer. Another Saturday night, and I ain't got nobody. I went to the store tonight, and I saw the lady there, and she was like, "Oh, hi, how are you?" She recognized me from the neighborhood. I was like, "Oh, I'm doing pretty good. How are you?" Just, "Oh, I'm hungover. I drank too much last night. I'm hungover." This is like half an hour ago. I'm like, "What? It's 7:30 in the evening. You're still hungover from last. How much did you drink?" But I didn't say that. She goes, "But I'm going out tonight again. One last hurrah for the summer." And I looked at her and I'm thinking, okay, what are you, 40-ish? 45? 35? Impossible to tell her age. You know, because she was kind of, I don't know. You could tell she's been celebrating for a number of years. And so I'm like, okay, well, maybe if you have a couple of drinks, you'll stop feeling hungover and you'll just feel drunk again. But all I could say was, yeah, I remember those days. But I was kind of embarrassed for her. It's like, why would you tell? You don't even know me. Why would you admit that you're an alcoholic? You know? Like you're looking for my approval. Oh, good for you, sister. Way to tear it up last night and just punish your body with alcohol. That must have been fun. You know. Oh, I wish I could have been there. Drank a bunch of alcohol. Hey, Jim Dunn's here. BOOZHOO, Jim. You camping? Out at Crystal Springs. What are you camping at a lemonade stand? That's a Crystal Springs stuff. It's like, oh, come enjoy our lemonade. Crystal Springs. Friendship time is here. I'm camping out in my grandparents' basement. Is that what you're calling it? Camping? Friendship's really rough in Grandma's basement. Don't mess with her knitting stuff. You know, she's got knitting materials down there she's going to get to. That's her stuff. I used to live with my grandma. She had a whole basement. She was like a hoarder by the end. And she wasn't really a hoarder, but you live to be 80-something. You're going to accumulate some stuff. And so every inch of that basement was filled with memories and crap nobody needs. Oh, here's 50 years of yarn I'm saving up for some reason. Oh, yeah, don't throw out that yarn, Grandma. You never know when we might need some more red yarn. You know, quilting supplies, broken sewing machine. My grandma still had one of those phones with the crank on it. It didn't work anymore, but she still had the thing. It's like, do we need to... I don't want to throw it out now because it's like historical, but come on, Grandma. It might be time to let go of the old appliances. This thing, you know, you have to hold it up to your ear and just turn the crank. Hello, Sarah? Sarah? Can you connect me to Doc Baker? I need a doctor. You know? Well, yeah. Any good, I'm trying to think of, how come there aren't more sunset songs? There's some sunshine. The sun machine is coming down. And we're gonna have a party. Any old Bowie fans out there? Sun machine is coming down. And we're gonna have a party. Anyway, so she was talking about boozing up, and I was thinking about, you know, I'm so glad I don't drink anymore. So maybe I'll say a little Serenity Prayer. Last week somebody asked me if I'd pull up the text. I think I got the text here somewhere. But then you can't see my darling little face. Nah. Just kidding. Get your money to. Let me grab some Gonna grab a little tobacco. Get Chimanadu. Odapanan niwi asema. Great Spirit, accept my tobacco. Dagari dukawishin. Weweni. Chinana guda wendaman. Chiodapanaman. Inu ke gashki katusiwan. Chi anji saduyan. Chite apachite ayan. Chi anji saduyan. Ke gashki katuyan. Chite apachita buakayan. Chikendaman. Oh no. Apayenge. Get Chimanadu. Great Spirit. Help me to accept the things I cannot change. The courage. Give me the courage to change the things I can. And the wisdom to know the difference. Let me know the things I can work on. Let me know the things I just gotta put up with. Not everything is a battle you can fight and win. Some things are that's just life, Some things, that's the way things, they pan out. But Friendship Time says, yes, Natasha, I take after Grandma with my knitting, of course. There you go. You probably have a treasure of knitting supplies in that old basement. The thunderstorm was just here not long ago. Oh, is that right? Yeah, they say it's going to rain tonight. It's getting dark up there. The clouds are coming in. It's getting cool out here. The sun's going down. Bungishimo. Give me one. It is raining. If you want to say it will rain, you have to say we. We, give me one. It will rain tonight. Hey, you guys, you better get out the lake. It's going to rain. You're going to be caught up there. You don't want to get wet. Don't want to get wet. No. They used to always tell me to come in when it was going to rain. When I was like, why? Well, lightning. Lightning hits the lake. Everything in the lake dies. So I'm like, well, why not the fish? Yeah, fry them right up. Don't you know anything about nature? Like, what? Never understood that. But, get in. It's going to rain. Quit swimming. It's raining. You might get wet. And then agua ching. Agua ching. Outside. I was on the agua ching. Looking inside. Anyway, I suppose I should go back. See what NanaBOOZHOO's up to. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, BOOZHOO. Well, hi, sweetie. Hey, is that Natasha? It sure is. How you doing? I'm doing great. I was just out here talking to the BOOZHOO crew, put out a little tobacco, said a little prayer. Oh, yeah, good for you. You want to come back? I think it's going to start raining. Yeah, it sure looks like it. You want to teleport me home? Yep. Oh, wow, it just started raining here. Oh, did it? Yep. I'm going to bring you home. Okay. That's one to teleport. Make it so, number one. Nah. Oh, wow. Oh, it is raining out here, isn't it? Yeah, it just started coming down. Wow, give me one. It is raining. Give me one. Give me one agua ching. Give me one agua ching. That's our Ojibwe phrase of the day. Hey, what a coincidence. Give me one. It is raining. Agua ching. Outside. I did the Serenity Prayer. Oh, did you? Yeah. I like that prayer. What made you think to do that? Well, I ran into that lady. I told him about that lady who was talking about being hungover. Oh, yeah. And I thought, yeah, I'm glad I don't get hungover anymore. Yeah. Oh, God, baby doll, it's Saturday. Kids are big geese again, gay. Geese a good floor washing day. No. Kids are big geese again, gay. Geese a good floor washing day. And on this it's actually floor washing evening. That's what we should call it. Kids are big geese again, gay. Wanna go sheen. On this floor washing evening, I'm Vito Onagoshin, everybody. And welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. Where I'm here with my mates. With your mates? With the fellas. We got Michael Lyons over here. Hey, Michael, what's going on, my brother? Hey, Natasha, I'm doing good. How are you? Not too bad. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons is a rock star cartoonist. And he wrote a book called Rockstar Cartoonist. Don't promote that. No, I like it. Rockstar Cartoonist is basically a long comic strip. It's a book-long comic strip about Michael Lyons. Every year is one page of his life. And he's getting old, so it's a long book. And it just follows his life and his cartoons, what kind of drawings he was into, and the bands he likes. And it's kind of funny, I think. But Michael doesn't think you should buy it. And why? I don't think anybody who's not me personally would really find it that interesting. Okay. And it's black and white. So why is this still on your page? I think it's a really cool cover. It is a really cool cover. Rockstar Cartoonist. Available now on Amazon.com. No. Anyway. What else is going on in your neck of the woods? Not much. How's that coloring book coming along? I haven't touched it. Well, aren't you lazy? Yeah. And then there's NanaBOOZHOO, of course. You might have seen him. Hey, everyone. He'll be coming up here in a minute. Looking out on the morning rain. I used to feel so uninspired. What? Nothing, I'm just watching. You want to take a call? A telephone call? Yeah, we got someone on the line. Well, yeah, I'll take a call. Who could it be now? Hey, caller, welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast. You're on the air. Yes, hello. Is this Natasha, then? Yeah, this is Natasha. Is this Prince Harry? Yes, this is Prince Harry of Sussex, as it were. How you doing? Sweetie, it's Prince Harry of Sussex or Essex or wherever. Hey, Harry, how you doing? Hello, NanaBOOZHOO. I'm doing quite well. I'm actually quite not very good at all, am I? Why? What's wrong? Oh, it's Megan. She's been just a bit much. Megan Merkel, your lovely wife? Yes, and ever since she started her podcast, it's like she just won't shut up now, will she? What do you mean? Oh, every day it's non-stop, isn't it? Well, I don't know. I mean, she gets on that podcast of hers, and she can't bloody well shut up about being a woman of color. Hey, that's right. She's part black, isn't she? Yeah. And then she gets on there and she blames me grandmom of calling her the N-word. Yeah, that's right. That's weird, huh? I was wondering, could you talk to her for me? You want me to talk to Megan? Well, I would talk to her, but she won't listen to reason. I figured maybe if she talked to another woman of color, as it were, that maybe you could get through to her. Well, sure, I'd be happy to talk to her. Yeah, just 1 minute, please. Megan, darling. Yeah? Would you come here once? I want you to talk to Natasha. Natasha from the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast? Yes. Oh, that'd be great. Hey, Natasha, how you doing? Well, hi, Megan. How are you? Oh, I'm doing great. I got a new podcast. I heard about that. That's great. Yeah, it's called something like... yeah, sweetie, do you remember what her podcast is called? It's not... It's not Icons. It's not Icons, right? No, it's something like that. Is it Archetypes? Yeah, I think it's Is it Archetypes? Yeah, I think so. My new podcast, Archetypes, something like that. It's great. But that stupid royal they're racists. Yeah, I hear you're getting in some trouble for that. Yeah, a bunch of racists. They don't like me because I'm black. Yeah, about that. Hey, sweetie. Yes, dear? You want to take another call? I was just going to say something to Megan. Yeah, you're going to want to take this. Megan, hang on. I got another call. Oh, okay. Caller, you're on the air. Line 3? Yep, line 3. Okay. Line 3. Caller, welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. You're on the air. Hello, love. It's me, the Queen Mom of England, as is. Oh, hey, Queen. I'm on the other line with your daughter-in-law. Oh, that wench. She's no daughter-in-law to me. I'm the Queen Mom, I am. Why, she's a rapscallion, bad granddaughter-in-law. Oh, right, she'd be a granddaughter-in-law. Anyway, she's saying you're quite the racist. Oh, that's not right, rubbish. I never said such a thing. Why you gotta go on about that, Megan? Oh, hi, Grandmom. Oh, you stupid racist. I'm not the racist. You're the racist. No. Hey, you guys. I'm trying to do a podcast here. Do you want to learn some Ojibwe? Oh, I learn some Ojibwe. I teach the Ojibwe language. Okay. What Ojibwe would you like to teach, Queen of England? Well, it's raining outside, isn't it? Yeah, it is raining. Oh, give me one. Give me one. It's raining, isn't it? Yeah, that's right. I'll go ching outside then. Yep. Give me one. Agua ching. It's raining outside. Can you say it's raining outside in Ojibwe, Megan? Yeah, I sure can. Give me one. Agua ching. It is raining outside. Yeah, don't go outside. Your hair get all nappy. Hey, that's racist. Oh, it's just true. It's a Negro women. They should stay out of the rain. What? That's what I'm talking about. She's a racist. Listen, you guys, I gotta go. Yeah, okay. How do you say goodbye? Well, we don't really say goodbye. We say, I will see you again. Giga wabba min, mina wa. Well, giga wabba min, mina wa, Natasha. Oh, that's right. Giga wabba min, mina wa. Yeah, giga wabba min, mina wa, ladies. Woo. I didn't want to get in the middle of that. You know, you handled that perfectly. Did I? Yeah. There's some bad blood there. I know. I just think it's hilarious. It is pretty funny. But, yeah, she was all like, oh, yeah. I knew what it was like to... She said something like, I knew what it was like to be treated as a mixed blood. But it wasn't until I married a white man that I knew what it was like to be treated like a Negro. Is that the way she put it? I don't think she put it that way. But she could. You know, she can use the N-word if she wants. Can she? Yeah, if you're black, you can use it. It's like saying queer if you're gay. You can use the N-word if you're black? Only if you're an N-word. Nah. GOFUNDME. Meanwhile, I will see you. Yeah. I didn't get to say goodbye to Harry. Nope. Oh, young warriors, says Curtis Mills. Oh, Curtis Mills. Is that old Curtis Mills here? Yeah, he sure is. Okay, bonjour, Curtis. How you doing? And John Redcorn is back. I'm having fry bread sale next week. Well, there you go. Save some for us. Now, are you just selling fry bread, or are you going the full 9 yards with the fry bread taco? Because that's where the real money comes from. And if you want to get rich, John, just a moment of Natasha's Nabwakawin, you got to be ready to deliver. Put it out on Facebook. You're willing to deliver. Get some of your buddies. Call the ladies at the tribal college. Say, hey, Tuesday is Indian Taco Tuesday. We'll bring it to your office. But I think he's doing it tomorrow. Oh, he's doing it tomorrow? Oh, no, you're right. It's next week. Yeah. Be like, welcome back to the... You know what? He should sell tacos at school. I wonder if they'd let him. Probably not. Jim Dunn's here. Hey, okay, bonjour, Jim. Jim asks, powwow in Mankato? Mankato. Is there a powwow in Mankato this weekend? Probably. Probably. But I don't know. Is there one in Cass Lake this weekend? You know what? I don't even know. I assume there is. Is there one right now? Because they're getting rained out. Yeah, probably are. I hear the rain, I hear the rain. What's some good rain songs? There's Rain by Kiss. No, that's I Think It's Gonna Rain. I think it's gonna rain. I think it's gonna rain down, down, down. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Yeah. What are you asking that for? I wanna know who. Have you ever seen the rain coming down sunny day, coming down? Oh, go ahead, baby, baby. So what else? Oh, I don't know. Any other calls? Nope. Should I talk about another one of Michael's books? Good. You want to play a song? I could play a song. I could talk about Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist, and his crazy artwork. So, Michael, let me ask you, let me interview Michael Lyons. Michael Lyons? Yeah? When, as a rock star cartoonist, when did you get your start? I think my whole life I've been a rock star cartoonist. Really? Even as a baby? Yep. I mean, I wasn't... People aren't really sure what that name means. Yeah! What is a rock star cartoonist? Rock star cartoonist is the word I kind of had in my head for like what I wanted to be like when I grew up. I thought I could either be a rock star, meaning a guy with long hair, play guitar, had ripped up jeans. Yeah. But I also wanted to draw cartoons and read comic books and do that kind of stuff. Yeah. And so it was kind of about, and you know, just even as a little kid, I always drew, and I always loved rock and roll music. I would sing the Elvis Presley songs and dance around and stuff. And it was part of my play as a kid, was to just pretend I was a like superhero rock star guy who also drew cartoons. Okay. That's awesome. And so, as a rock star cartoonist, what is a bit of advice you would give to children who might also think they might want to someday pursue a career in the rock star cartoonist arts? You got to find your own voice. Find your own. Well, now what does that mean? That means you have to figure out what you love to do, what kind of music you like to make, what your personality really is. Draw just things you love. Yeah. And try to express yourself as honestly as you can through your music and your art. Believe in yourself. Yeah. And you do anything for enough years, you'll get good at it. Really? Yeah. There you go, kids. You too can one day be rich and famous, like Michael Lyons. Are you rich and famous? No. People ask me that. Do they really? Yeah. I've had little kids ask me if I was famous. What do you say? I say, if you have to ask that question, then the answer is always no. Yeah. Nobody asks Tom Cruise if he's famous. Right. Excuse me, Tom Cruise, are you famous? You know. You either are or you aren't. But I do tell kids I'm a rock star. Well, there you go. Isn't that what they're actually asking? Yeah. Are you a real rock star? Oh, wait, yeah, absolutely I am. Rock star cartoonist. Gonna be a rock star. I could make it all worthwhile as a rock and roll star. Oh, anyway, so here's a song Michael Lyons wrote. Is this song about being a rock star cartoonist? The song, you know what? It's a little bit about the lifestyle of the rock star cartoonist. Is that right? Oh, cryptic. This is Wake and Bake. And up next, the lovely and the talented. Get out of here. Nanaboozhoo. Miigwech, Bizendawi egg. Thank you for listening. What am I doing? What am I doing? But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never forget it. One day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. One day, when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say this was the price I paid. Now so it goes, or so they say. Time's like a mountainscape. Well, I don't know, but I can't complain. God knows I've got my own escape. Sometimes I just might, even in the middle of the night. Sometimes and some days, sometimes, well, I wake and bake. But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, you'll never forget it. One day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that These were the golden days, and one day when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say, this was the price I paid. Even in the middle of the day, Stephen grins a little, so they say. Sometimes, well, I wake and bake. Sweetie. That's right. You having trouble there? A little bit. Hello there. All right. Anyway, what were we talking about? I don't know. I was talking to Michael. Oh, yeah. Michael, the cartoonist. What made you want to be a cartoonist? Well, I love drawing, yeah. And I sort of, I was very practical about career stuff, yeah. And I really liked, like Charlie Brown and Doonesbury and those kind of strip comics, yeah. But I kind of figured that was a job I could do. I knew I wasn't quite artist enough to be a comic book artist. Yeah. But I knew I could draw at least as well as Charles Schultz. And so that became my dream, was to be a comic strip artist. Did that ever work out? I drew a lot of comic strips and I made a little money, but I never made it to the big time like I thought I would. And so I had to fall back on my safety job, which was what? Rockstar. Oh, yeah, of course. When you were a little girl? Yeah. What did you want to be? I wanted to be a princess. Really? No. When I was a little girl, I wanted to be a singer. Really? Oh, yeah. I love to sing. Yeah. What about you? When I was young, kind of like Michael, artist. Musician, rock star. I just knew I loved music. I loved performing. I never wanted to be a actor. Really? Yeah, I didn't think I was good looking enough to be an actor. But I knew I was good looking enough to be a rock star, because let's face it. I mean, have you seen Mick Jagger? You didn't have to be good looking to be a musician. Yeah, but you're good looking. Well, you think so. Yeah. It's good to have dreams. Dream, 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 dream. La-di-da-di-dum. Hoka hey. Anin. Eji Ayan. How are you? Sweetie. Anin. Eji Ayan. Namino Aya. Gindash. Or Gindash. No, you were right. Gindash. Namino Aya. I am well. Don't say I'm good. That's, don't say I'm good. Don't say I seen. What's some other bad Minnesota grammar? People say I seen when they mean I have seen or I saw. Yeah. And I'm good when I mean I am well. You're not supposed to end a sentence with words like with. You want to come with? That's a preposition. With what? Well, you want to come with? You want to come with just a basic understanding of the human language? There we go. My arm was kind of pinned down there. Yeah. We better get it together if we're going to do a live show. You better get it together. Coming up on the, the 19th? The 19th! We're in September. The countdown has begun. Alright, so it's on the 19th. Today's the 3rd. That gives us 16 days. It's already the 3rd? Yep. In 16 days, Natasha and I, and Michael, and Emily will be appearing live at the, doggone it, what's the name of that brewery? At the Northwoods Brewery. I don't think it's Northwoods. At the Baxter Woods Brewery. You can't just make up words. I don't remember. But we're going to be playing for the Cultivating Community Summit. It's a community extravaganza. What does that mean? Extravaganza? Yeah. I don't know. It's extravagant. Well, I know what the word means, but what do you mean by it? I don't know. Whatever a summit is. It's like a conference or something. And we're going to be cultivating community. So we're not going to be dividing. I'm not going to show up like George Biden. George Biden? What's that guy's name? I think it's Joe Biden. Yeah, Joe Biden. Let's not come on stage like Joe Biden on it, bathed in satanic red, for a minute disappear. I know, what was with that? I don't know, it's terrifying. Couldn't fall asleep. I kept thinking Joe Biden was going to appear from the shadows like a vampire, threatening half of the country. You guys are semi-fascists. And I have a semi-automatic. I'm Joe Biden. It's like, take it easy. What are you talking about? Why did you bring out your goons to talk to the audience? Yeah, I had those Marines. I know. It's very threatening. Now you listen up, people. I'm your president. I'm getting pretty sick of hearing this. Let's go, Brandon. I think Joe Biden's finally starting to push back. You all thought you could push old Joe Biden around. Oh, no, he's Sleepy Joe. Well, Joe Biden's got 2 Marines ready to knock you out. He's also got Satan doing the lighting. His ugly wife. Hey, don't call her ugly. Okay, she's got nice hair. She's got beautiful hair. And a ghoul of a wife in a wig. No, she's nice. I'm sure she's funny. Namino Ea, I am well. Oh, I'm good. Gin Dush. Maybe Gin should have 2 eyes. I wasn't sure. That looks like Gin Dush. Gin Dush. It's cold Gin Dush time again. We'll always win. What's your favorite Kiss song? We've done this so many times. There's no way I could choose one song. Nothing off of Double Platinum. Yeah, nothing from before the 80s. I'm sick of all those songs. No offense, Paul. None taken. Paul Stanley, you guys. Hey, everybody! How you doing? I can't hear you! Paul, we're just doing the live stream. You can't hear them. I can't hear you! Anyway. What? Never mind, Paul. I'm trying to do a show. So today, I would like to talk about something very serious, sweetie. What are you going to talk about? I'm going to talk about, of course, we got nothing. Maybe I'll talk to the crew. Hey, BOOZHOO crew. What's going on? How are you today? How many pounds of rice did you get today, BOOZHOO crew? How many of you guys went out racing? Manu Minike. Racing. Wild racing. Did you know, sweetie, that in the Ojibwe language, we would call August
The wild racing moon.
I did know that from watching the show.
Yeah, very good. Manumanike Jesus. Manuman is rice. I saw Vern and Tammy the other day.
Oh yeah? Did they go out racing?
Yep. They got 100 pounds of wild rice. And I think it nearly killed them.
Really?
Yeah, they look tired. My auntie and uncle have been racing since the 60s. And they still do it every year. Oh, but that's hard work. But they did it. Got 100 pounds of the manuman. I can't stand the rain. And pebbles and humble pie, says Surrealist.
Oh, Surrealist here?
Yeah.
Hey, BOOZHOO, Surrealist.
What's going on, sister? Do you know I Can't Stand the Rain by Ann Peebles and Humble Pie?
I can't stand the rain.
No, that's Peter Criss.
Yeah, no, I don't know.
There's Purple Rain.
Oh, yeah. Purple rain, purple rain.
You know what? We might actually have Purple Rain. Close by, sweetie.
I think you should play it if you can find it.
How about I exchange the stupid Mukwa bit
Yeah.
for our downloaded the big video that has Purple Rain on it. It's not this. Here we go. This is a song that came out in like 1983. Back in the days of the grandfathers. And it was such a cool song. I know it wasn't this song. It was actually... This whole album was good, but... Oh, sweetie, you're just gorgeous.
No, get out of here.
Back in the days of the grandfathers, people forget this. Northern Minnesota was a very conservative place in the 80s. And somebody like Prince was sort of viewed like... People would question his sexuality. They're like, hey, what's up with that guy in the high heels and the eyeliner? He might be gay.
That's what they said. He's gay.
Yeah. And so a lot of the, townies, the boys didn't like to admit that they loved Prince. Until that intro to When Doves Cry
Yeah.
came out. And all the headbangers went, okay, fine. You want me to hear me say it? Yes, I love Prince. Everybody kind of went, okay, fine. You got me. If that makes me gay, then so be it. Because he's a great guitar player. And he was an underrated guitar player.
Really was.
This is Purple Rain. I never meant to cause you any sorrow.
Yeah.
I never meant to cause you any pain.
Tell me about it.
I only wanted one time to see you laughing.
You mean like this?
I only wanted to see you laughing in the purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Whoa. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Such a shame our friendship had to end. I never want to be your weekend lover. Ooh. I only want to be some kind of friend. Maybe I can never steal you from another. Such Such a shame our friendship had to end. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain, purple rain. Yeah, yeah. Such a shame our friendship had to end. I don't think that's the lyrics. I don't think he just keeps on singing.
Doesn't
It's
he?
such a shame our friendship had to end. Doesn't somebody bathe? You know, what do I know? Oh, good. Yeah.
That was fun.
Yeah. Nicely done, Michael. Yeah, you too. Purple rain, purple rain. Were you sad when Prince died?
Yeah, I was devastated.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't care that much. By the time he died, I was like, oh, really? I already gone through Michael Jackson and David Bowie. I didn't have any tears left.
Did David Bowie die before or after Prince?
Good question, actually. No, I don't remember. I mean, when they allegedly died.
Yeah.
Yeah. Purple rain, purple rain. Okay. So we've got a live show coming up. And we're going to be bringing out the big old screen. We can show some clips from the show. Hello, future audience, live. This might be a clip from the show that we show you so you know what our show looks like. But we should probably find a clip that's funnier than this.
Yeah.
Looking out in the evening rain,
I used to feel so uninspired
until the day I met you.
Life was so unkind.
Your love was my peace of mind. 'Cause you make me feel like a natural woman.
Do I make you feel that way?
Oh, yeah. I think that song is Aretha Franklin trying to come out and secretly tell the world that she's not a natural woman.
You think she's transgendered?
I have no reason to believe this, but yes. I only think that because she's got a great voice.
Well, women have great voices.
Well, yeah, but she had like a voice that had testosterone behind it. Her voice could like fight people. And that song is kind of weird. And then what was the other song?
Respect. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
Yeah. I think Aretha Franklin was trying to speak in code. It's just like Tina Turner,
Yeah.
private dancer, a dancer for money. I think she was a secret prostitute.
Nobody would pay money for Tina Turner.
That's so rude.
How is that rude?
I don't know. She dressed like a common street hooker.
That was her. That was just her look.
Yeah. I don't know. So many things I don't understand.
Like what?
Like, how come everybody doesn't love Kiss? And why does everybody love dumb stuff like Tina Turner? You know? Bob Dylan. Here are just some people that I hate that the rest of the world loves. And I just don't get.
Okay.
Bob Dylan.
Yeah.
Tina Turner.
Yeah.
Hippies.
I think a lot of people are sick of hippies.
Oh, really? That's not just me.
Yeah.
But like the 60s in general. Anytime they get nostalgic about the 60s, you know, they show like Woodstock. No, I'm not into it. Let's see, what is something people like? Oh, you know, movies.
You don't like movies?
Yeah. Oh, here, now I go. I don't like movies, car rides.
Going on a long distance road trip?
Yeah, the road trip. Why do people go on road trips? That seems like the most miserable thing. Hey, I know, let's go sit in a confined space and face the same direction, move dangerously fast speeds for many, many hours until we're sick and tired of doing that. And then hot tubs.
Yeah.
Then you'll stop and you'll rent in a room in a hotel and put on some swimming trunks and go down to the pool and sit in a hot tub. A tub of hot water that hundreds of other people have sat in. You know, cleaning out their crevices and their bacteria. And you put your face in that water. I don't get it. Traveling at all, I don't understand why people are... I find that only as a huge inconvenience.
Yeah, but don't you want to learn about other people and cultures?
That's what the internet's for. I want to go see what it looks like, you know, in Africa. Or get on that internet. Why do people go to Africa? It's like 120 degrees there, and lions and snakes, tarantulas and stuff. I wouldn't go there. Las Vegas, I don't understand that.
Not a gambler?
No, it looks so tacky. I can't imagine having any fun in Las Vegas. I guess I'm just getting old and nothing seems fun to me. I just don't want... you know what's fun to me?
What's that?
Sitting here right now with the rain outside. With the BOOZHOO crew. Talking to you. Ignoring Michael. Hey, everyone. That's my kind of fun.
That's my fun, too.
And teaching the language. I kind of wish we had planned something.
You could tell a story.
Yeah, well... There's nothing but old people here tonight. Hello, old people. So we finally updated the Patreon page. I could tell them about that.
Yeah, when are we going to do our telethon?
I don't know. I feel uncomfortable asking people for money. But if you'd like to support the show, which I know a lot of you are, by the way, a little gift in the mail coming to you $20 Patreon supporters. Hey, do we have that?
What's that?
A picture of the new coffee mug?
No, we don't.
That would have been a good thing to have, huh?
Yeah, sure would have.
Nope, we don't. Cancel. Cancel. But we updated the Patreon page. Oh, hey, this one I can do. If you'd like to support the show, we have a PayPal account where people will send us just a little tip. Say, here's $10. Go get some coffee on us. Or they go to Patreon and they say, hey, here's $10 every month. If you sign up on Patreon, for $5 a month, here's the commercial for Patreon. $5 a month, we'll send you a kind of nothing picture.
What do you mean?
I don't know. We'll send you a signed picture. Trying to find a picture of us. I don't know. But for $10 a month, everybody gets a copy of Ojibwe Words and Phrases. $10 every month, and you get this $7 book once. But people will give $20 a month, which is kind of the going rate.
Yeah.
$20 a month. They get not only a copy of Dog and Maingan, Counting to 10 in Ojibwe by Michael Lyons, the silent rock star. but also the new NanaBOOZHOO and Natasha coffee mug. $20 a month. Sign up on Patreon. Get a book, and you can have some coffee and read a book where you learn how to count to 10 in Ojibwe. And enjoy some cartoons by Michael Lyons. Hey, thanks, buddy. Yeah. Or you can go to our GoFundMe page. This is where the real money comes in. We're going to give a big old chunk of change. Help us pay for the overhead, the computer projector, and the big screen, and these new lights. And that new microphone's coming in the mail, too.
Yep.
Then go to our GoFundMe. All the links are in the description below. And we were going to do a telethon, but then I thought, you know what am I going to do? I just play a series of songs, and between songs go, hey, give us some money. And you can hear us goof around and not finish a full song. There's us singing, clowning around on Purple Rain. Give us your money. But yeah, Prince Rogers Nelson. He actually had a weird name, but it was his real name. I give Prince credit for that.
Yeah, he was born Prince.
Yeah. You can drop your last name, I guess, but you shouldn't change it, Paul. You shouldn't change your name, Stanley Eisen. My name's Paul Stanley. No, it's not. It's Stanley Eisen. Your mother named you Stanley. Nobody cares about rock star names. Oh, I'm Gene Simmons. I've had it up to here with rock star, sweetie.
Have you?
Yep. So, what have we learned today, sweetie?
Not a thing.
Not a gosh darn thing?
No.
Not a thing on this Gazibigi Saginagay Onagoshin. Onagoshin. On this floor washing evening. Did you wash the floors, woman?
I sure didn't. No, actually I did. I vacuumed the cat litter up.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Gazibigi Saginagay Gijagud. Floor washing day is the Ojibwe word for Saturday. I asked Natasha how she was. I said, Anin, Ayan. And she said she was well. She said, Namino Eya. Eya kind of means like, I good, but that Eya means your being, your body or something. Like Anin Eyayan. Eya, isn't that? And then you go Gindash, you and, or as we say in Ojibwe, and you, Gindash, and yourself. Oh, me. I'll tell you how I am. It's raining. Give me one. Agua ching. It's raining outside. I'm all wet. And these have been just some handy Ojibwe words of the day. Oh, you know what that sound is, sweetie?
That's our theme song.
It sure is. That's telling me it's time to say goodbye.
But we don't say goodbye.
We sure don't. We say, Gigawabamin, Minowa. I'll see you again. My name is NanaBOOZHOO Nindishanakaz. This is Natasha.
Boozhoo Gakina Mikwech Bisandawi egg. Dash Mikwech Ganawabi egg. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching.
That's right. And this is the rockstar cartoonist, Michael Lyons. Thanks so much. We'll see you tomorrow. I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minowa.
Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I'm happy to be here with you today to speak Ojibwe and learn about the language and culture.
Hey everybody! Welcome back to the